So it appears I've got a few things to document today. This is brand new. I've got them in action. I'm actually just going to scrap my first video because there was a little editing I needed to do. And I'll just upload my most recent videos. I don't want to do any editing. And there used to be a way to pause this camera, and now it's like you can't. I don't think I can. Well, because I want to go this way. I want to go to where I'm in the shade. What the hell? Here we go. And show you. Alright, so from my first video, great, my husband with the machine. So this is where they did the first circle. That's where I caught the first circle. And yet, look at this. We've been X'd. That's the beginning of the chemtrail I just showed you getting sprayed. Clearly, it goes to the north. It's friggin' hot in Florida. Alright, so let me jump over here. So that's the noise. My husband trimming a tree. Unzoom it, give you a full view of what's going on here. Alright, unfortunately, my husband clipping tree branches, so let me end it right there. Let me come back over here. Thank you.